don't take it. Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Hey Royals, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a decorate, refresh, undecorate with me. I am, what I want to say, I'm in full beast mode. Anytime you see the cap and the natural out, your girl is in beast mode. I am in between dudes. My braider, i.e. my sister-in-law, is recouping from just having my baby niece. Baby Morgan is here. So I am going to give her a little break and at the same time give myself a little break with the hair. Don't know how long it's going to last. However, while I'm in this snatchback beast mode, I figure it's a good time to rearrange, dismantle, do some things. So, and guess what? Taking y'all with me. So, let's go.
Baby, don't check for me. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm
Okay, guys, and at this point, your eyes are not deceiving you. I have peeled off the layers of the spring decor. And yes, what you see now are remains of Christmas decor. Listen, don't judge me. It actually acted as a wonderful anchor for my winter themed tree, carrying me over into my Valentine's tree. And I just decided to keep building up on that process. However, as I stated earlier, it's time for change. So it was good while it lasted, but now let's remove all the items and continue on with the cleaning and styling. If you know me, if you've watched any of my cleaning videos, you know that no cleaning is complete without some amazing music blasting in the background. So you'll see your girl dancing and gyrating, but I'm having a good time in my zone. This is so therapeutic for me, and I'm absolutely loving the transformation as I'm removing the tree. As you can see, the music is getting good, y'all. I'm feeling good about the results. I've got Jasmine Sullivan blasting in the background. It is giving me all types of vibes. And you know it's good when I turn the floral stem into a microphone. Here I am removing the final items from the tree. I remove it in the order which I attach it. Although it is spring and summer, I like to give helpful tips in every video that I do. So even if you're styling for a holiday or just Christmas, it is important to properly store your items for the next season. Because you guys, black and white is universal and it can be used all year round. And as you see, I've used it for Christmas, which is winter, spring, and I even can carry it into summer. You're actually going to see that. So stick around for an upcoming video. But that is complete. Yes, I kept the tree skirt down too. And just like that, everything is removed. Let's go. Time to clean. No refresh is properly done without a clean slate first. So I am removing any debris and dust from my blinds using my Swiffer, you guys. It's an amazing tool for cleaning blinds. And again, guys, although this is a spring summer cleaning video, you notice I took the tree down, and this is all the debris that I have from that tree. It's by King of Christmas, and I do have a collaboration coming up them in July, so you don't want to miss that. They'll be having an amazing sale, so be on the lookout and get ready for the holidays. Now let's get to rearranging. Bringing in my mirrored coffee table, which is a new addition to the space. Probably late spring I added those into the look of the room, or to the design of the room. And I'm removing everything here because I, again, have to have a clean slate. And you know, Amazon Prime was a couple of days ago, so your girl took advantage of that as well. So now we're going to move everything and just add a few designer touches to the space. Now guys, this part is hilarious. I have been looking for some of my trays and I could not find them for the life of me, not realizing that I hid them from myself under my sofa. So you'll see not one, not two, not even three. There's yet another one under the sofa. However, I'm going to clean and continue on with the styling of it all. Now guys, a few weeks ago I shared with you these beautiful acrylic legs for my sofas, and I'm finally getting around to adding them to the sofa. So I'm calling for a little reinforcement, i.e. my niece. We are going to, as you see, flip the sofa so that I can change the legs. There's that fourth tray, you guys. I can't believe I hid them from myself. So here I am just simply adding the acrylic feet to the sofa. Really, really easy, as you can see. But they just give that extra glam, Parisian, old Hollywood vibe that I'm going for in my space. Great design takes time, and so I've been adding little pieces here and there to this overall look and feel until I get it just how I want it. But these definitely are taking me in the right direction. Guys, one of my newest obsessions is this Hoover Power Wash carpet cleaner. I love this thing, you guys. It is so soothing and satisfying to see the results of a clean rug or carpet. You push forward, it washes. You pull back, it dries. It's amazing. So I just wanted to share this nice relaxing clip with you all. So enjoy. And not to worry, I will have this linked in my Amazon store, and along with anything else that I can find to add or something similar. But this, you guys, is a must-have. If you have carpet or area rugs, it is such a powerful tool. It gets the job done with ease. All right. Cleaning is done. Let the fun begin. I do apologize, guys, in advance for this footage. Some of it is a little off, but it will get better. So continue on. I decided after I took the tree down that the room looked a little bland once I had the furniture pieces in. So I thought it would be a good idea just to pull some of those pink Christmas florals out, add it to this amazing ginger jar that I recently purchased, and see what that would look and feel like in this space. And I'm actually loving the result. Now that that is done, let's continue on. I love combining soft tones of pinks, peaches, corals to this blue. You guys know that aquas and teals are my signature colors, and I just love mixing and adding other colors in with it to give me different looks from season to season. And so for the summer, I'm going with a softer mint color, and I'm adding this beautiful blush pink along with. The key to any cohesive look in a space is to bounce your colors around the room. So you'll see accents of pink here and there. You'll see accents of the mint here and there. But it definitely will give a nice cohesive look and feel to any space that you decide to refresh, regardless of the color. Just dance it around the room in odd numbers, 3, 5, 7 spaces. And here, you guys, these pillows are from Z Gallery, and I have styled them a number of ways with the blue on top, the white on top. But this time I decided to throw them on the side and see what that looks like to give me a vertical layered look. And I'm loving that style. So let's continue on. I shared with you all in a recent video that was entitled Pillow Talk. These beautiful pillows I picked up from TJ Maxx, and they are by Mario Lorenz. You guys, these were on clearance for $15. I will link that video so you get all the deets on some of the pillows that I'll be styling with today. And if they are not available, I will try to link some in my Amazon store that are similar in size and design. This beautiful metallic pillow is everything, and it is also a part of that pillow haul that I shared a few weeks ago. No pillow is complete without that nice karate chop. At least I think so anyways. And let's add the piece of resistance. This beautiful beaded lumbar pillow is just what I needed to give me that glamorous touch to this space. Finishing up the coffee table is this fabulous centerpiece I created with florals from Hobby Lobby. Moving over now to my love seat or oversized chair. It's actually an oversized chair, but a lot of people think that it is a love seat because it does seat too, but it's called a cutler or oversized chair. Again, bouncing my color around the space, you guys. I'm adding these pillows to this area as well. Fluffing them out, and what I like to do is just shake all of them down because they are 100% duck feel, and I just shake them all to the top so that it gives me the nice full look at the top of the pillow. And there you have it. Now turning our attention over to my bench here. This is a mirror bench that I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace, you guys, for $100. I love finding deals. This mirror is from Home Goods, and the pillows also are from Home Goods. And keeping a look cohesive, I'm adding one of those metallic pillows over on this side of the room. Keeping in with the theme of cohesiveness, I am adding another lumbar pillow over here as well. And so adding finishing touches, and there you have it, you guys. What I end up with is a beautifully refreshed old Hollywood Parisian glam space that is fit for the royals that we are. I absolutely love this, you guys. The splashes of pink dancing around the space just give me that soft elegance that I love. The blues are so calming and relaxing. I just love this space. And guys, you're getting a sneak peek of my new bar cart. I will have a dedicated video for that styling, but I just wanted to add it to the video to give you all a look of the fully designed space. And so the pillows here, everything here, you guys, just gives me joy. And that's what you want to create in your space, regardless if you're just cleaning up, refreshing, making over, whatever you're doing. Make sure that the space gives you joy. It's your home, it's your space. Style it to your desired taste and enjoy it. My coffee table is complete with all of the must-haves: candles, coffee table, books, trays, trinket boxes, and of course coasters. This space is perfect for entertaining, and I am so ready to do so. If you are new here and you see what you like and you like what you see, I want to invite you to please hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, I want you guys to know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. I want to invite you all, if you have not already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If you have any questions about something that I did mention, please leave it in the comment section below, and I would be glad to answer those for you. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what was your favorite part of the space, if you like the space. All of the deets. I want to know how you feel about it. I'm loving it. So let's chat. I will see you guys in the next coming video. You guys, I have so many wonderful things to share with you for this summer season. A nice upcoming collab with my dream team. You don't want to miss it. Some amazing sponsorship content coming that's going to be so fun. So hit that notification bell, click it twice so that you always know when I upload new content. Now, until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, always remain royal, and until the next one, have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. See you in the next one. Bye.